Investment strategy. China, shifting gears. The unprecedented economic shock caused by the COVID-19 outbreak in China has set the country on a path that indicates the political will and economic impetus to shift gears. In response to the external environment, as well as endogenous factors, we see China shifting gears in these four key areas. Livelihoods over headline economic growth. Being first to be hit by the COVID-19 pandemic, the country was both first in and first out in terms of social distancing and lockdown measures. The National People's Congress NPC focus of expenditure growth will be on employment, support for basic living standards, small and medium enterprises, rental and interest payment subsidies, consumption support, and essential public services. A new hegemony in technology. The combined impact of the vacillating trade situation and economic impact of COVID-19 has led companies to streamline supply chains into more localized and automated workflows. How China responds to the recent developments in the semiconductor space would indicate a shift in its hitherto commercial engagement with the dominant players in the tech supply chain. Recalibrating capital markets. US-China tensions have begun to color decision-making in the international capital markets. On 12 May 2020, the White House and the US Labor Department ordered a federal pension fund board to halt investments in Chinese stocks. The market is also concerned about the Chinese-American Depository Receipts, ADRs, listed in the US. Geopolitical perspectives. Apart from US President Trump's anti-China rhetoric in relation to the COVID-19 outbreak, fault lines across trade, technology, intellectual property, and geopolitics remain risks for markets. In trade, we anticipate a refocus by the US on the Phase 1 trade deal. Latest developments suggest that it's almost impossible for China to fulfill its earlier commitment to increase purchases of US goods and services by $200 billion over a 2-year period. Bottom line, these significant gear shifts in China's political and economic machinery will impact the way that investors ought to be positioned in terms of exposure to China.